2 minutes and 42 seconds. Two minutes and 36 seconds.
And where is its extension?
2 minutes and 4 seconds. 29 seconds. 10 seconds. This is eco. Saves you water and all that for 20 seconds. This is a slow timer and all that. This is a delay timer. So basically I use these two. Two gives me at least a reasonable amount of wash time, and when it comes out everything looks clean. So right now I have dishes loaded in it, as you can see. So these are the numbers on the time. Eco, pots and pans. We are washing cutleries. So it's turning it on. It's on. So I push it, hold it for like 3 seconds, and it's on. This is a Whirlpool. I really like it. I really like this dishwasher. Does an amazing job.